Hello students, today we are going to continue our second structural effect, that is resonance effect. This effect is denoted by capital letter R, or this effect is also called as a mesomeric effect and denoted by capital M. Now, in last lecture, we have studied first structural effect is inductive effect. Now just I recall what is inductive effect. Inductive effect is operating in compounds containing single bonded sigma bond system. कुठल्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये दिसतो तर ज्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये सिंगल बॉन्ड आहेत आणि सिग्मा बॉन्ड आहेत अशा सगळ्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये आपल्याला इंडक्टिव्ह इफेक्ट ऑपरेट होताना दिसतो. स्पेशली विच टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल? द मॉलिक्यूल कंटेनिंग हेट्रो डायॲटॉमिक सिस्टीम. फॉर एक्झाम्पल HCl. HCl contains two atoms, hydrogen atom and chlorine atom. Whenever hydrogen and chlorine are compared with respect to their electronegativity, then hydrogen is electropositive element, chlorine is electronegative element. Sigma bond contains shared pair of electron in HCl and get more shifted towards chlorine. That's why a polarization is induced in such manner that chlorine possesses negative charge and hydrogen possesses positive charge. Right? So inductive effect is operating via sigma bonded system, single bonded system, and in hetero diatomic molecular system. Is it right? So we are moving towards second structural effect, that is resonance effect. In case of resonance effect or mesomeric effect, this effect is operating in acyclic or open chain system. First, second, cyclic or ring compounds containing either carbon double bond carbon system or carbon double bond oxygen system. Is it okay? So, resonance effect or mesomeric effect is operating in the compound either acyclic or open chain system or cyclic or ring structures containing either कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन, म्हणजे ज्या ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन आहे किंवा कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन आहे, such type of compounds possess a resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Is it clear? Okay. Second thing, we are taking very good example of acyclic or open chain structure. This effect is operating via aldehydes or ketones containing C double bond O system. Means कुठलंही आपण aldehyde किंवा कीटोन जर घेतलं तर त्यामध्ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर CH3 C double bond O H, this is aldehyde, or CH3 C double bond O CH3, this is ketone. This is acetaldehyde, and this is acetone. Means resonance effect or mesomeric effect is operating in acyclic compounds. For example, aldehydes or ketones. These compounds are also called as a carbonyl compounds. कुठल्या टाईपचे कंपाऊंड म्हणतो याला आपण? कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स, की ज्यामध्ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन ही सिस्टीम आहे. अँड धिस मॉलिक्यूल शोज a structural effect in acyclic molecule. Whenever resonance effect is operating in acyclic molecules, this effect is termed as a mesomeric effect. ह्याच इफेक्टला आपण कुठला इफेक्ट म्हणतो? मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. Is it right? Mesomeric effect म्हणतो. That is migration of pi bond system takes place from a carbon towards oxygen, and here we are getting a next structure CH3 CO minus. This bears positive charge, and here hydrogen remains as it is. So this is first structure of acetaldehyde, and this is second structure. So what is mesomeric effect? That is migration of pi bonded pair of electron from bonds towards more electronegative atom is called as a mesomeric effect. So mesomeric effect shows migration of which electron system? A pi electron system. कशाचं मायग्रेशन होतं? पाय इलेक्ट्रॉनचं. म्हणजे ह्या डबल बॉन्डमध्ये रिमेंबर दॅट इन दिस डबल बॉन्डेड सिस्टीम one single bond is sigma bond and another double bonded system is always pi bond. म्हणजे जिथे आपण कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन दाखवतो तिथे एक नेहमी सिग्मा बॉन्ड असतो आणि सेकंड जो बॉन्ड असतो तो कुठला असतो? पाय बॉन्डेड सिस्टीम. सो मायग्रेशन ऑफ ए पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर टुवर्ड्स मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह ॲटम or towards carbon atom which is more electronegative, then such type of effect is called as a mesomeric effect, and this mesomeric effect is shown in aldehydes as well as ketones. So whenever delocalization of pi electron system takes place in acyclic system मध्ये ज्यावेळेस डिलोकलायझेशन होतं त्यावेळेस त्या इफेक्टला आपण म्हणतो मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट अँड डिनोटेड बाय कॅपिटल एम. तो कशाने डिनोट करतो आपण? कॅपिटल एम ना. सो लक्षात ठेवा, असायक्लिक किंवा ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये जर कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन असतील, कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन असतील आणि जर त्यानं पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअरचं मायग्रेशन दाखवलं तर त्या टाईपच्या स्ट्रक्चरल इफेक्टला आपण कुठला इफेक्ट म्हणतो? मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट. Then we are taking another example, that is a carbon dioxide, C double bond O, C double bond O. This is the structure of what? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. This is first structure. Then it shows migration of pi electron pairs towards oxygen, and we are getting second structure like this, O minus. This is the structure second. So the structure first is get converted into structure second due to delocalization of, remember the word, delocalization of pi electrons from one carbon atom towards oxygen. It gives conversion of first structure into second, and the overall effect is called as what? A mesomeric effect. And due to delocalization of pi electron, we are getting structure first and second. These two structures are called as a canonical structure. त्याला आपण कुठलं स्ट्रक्चर म्हणतो? कॅनॉनिकल स्ट्रक्चर. शब्द लक्षात ठेवा. Delocalization of pi electron, that is first structure is get converted into second. The formed structure first and second is called as what? Canonical structure. त्याला आपण कुठलं स्ट्रक्चर म्हणतो? कॅनॉनिकल स्ट्रक्चर. So according to this, in case of carbon dioxide or aldehydes and ketones, in carbon double bond oxygen system, delocalization of pi electron system takes place in such manner that we are getting two different resonating structure known as a canonical structure, and combination of structure first and second is simply termed as these two structure when we are getting combined, then we are getting a new structure like this, oxygen in this manner. This structure is called as a resonance hybrid. That is, combination of structure first and second is called as resonance hybrid. And now what this dotted line shows? This dotted line shows migration of pi electron system from carbon towards oxygen. So this is a delocalization of pi electron system in acyclic or open chain system, and the overall effect is called as a mesomeric effect. यालाच आपण कुठला इफेक्ट म्हणतो तर mesomeric effect म्हणतो. Now we are taking the another type of effect, that is resonance effect. दूसरा इफेक्ट काय आहे? The resonance effect. And for this we are taking very familiar example of a benzene. First I will draw the first structure of benzene. Like this. This is the structure of benzene. See the position of double bonded system, that is first, second, third. The second structure is like this, form migration of pi bond system towards this, delocalization of pi electron system towards this, delocalization of pi electron system towards this, and we are getting a second resonating structure in this way. This double bond is migrated here, this is migrated here, this is migrated in here, and we are getting a second resonating structure like this. So structure first and second are the canonical structure, and combination of these two canonical structure can be written in this way, like this. This is our resonance hybrid. Of benzene. So in benzene, how the resonance effect is operating? Whenever delocalization of pi electron system takes place, delocalization म्हणजे काय? Movement. In such manner that first structure is get converted into second structure, and we are getting two different canonical structures or resonating structures in such manner that combination of these two canonical structure give formation of resonance hybrid. So delocalization of pi electron system in benzene or cyclic ring structure is simply termed as which effect? That is resonance effect. Now see slowly how the structure second is converted into first in this manner, like this, migration like this, in this way, and we are getting first structure again. So combination of first and second is termed as a resonance hybrid. Now in this structure, dotted line shows a delocalization pathway of what? A migration or circulation of pi electron system or pi bond system, and that's why in common generally आपण बेंझिनचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं लिहितो रे? अशी 6 member ring system आत असं गोल असतं. This indicates the pi bonded system is not fixed, it is continuously delocalized, and we are getting this structure. So simply how the resonance effect is defined? The effect in which there is a delocalization of pi bonded electron system takes place so as to form different resonating structure, and combination of this resonating structure is known as resonance hybrid. Overall effect is simply termed as a resonance effect, which is denoted by capital R. Capital R ने denote कर दो. So cyclic or ring structure shows this type of resonance effect. Focus on this. Resonance effect is always operating higher. Which type of bond system? Pi bond system. Compounds containing carbon double bond carbon in ring, alternating double bond system. And third, the compounds containing heteroatoms such as carbon double bond oxygen system. So these three particular conditions fulfilled so that the compound gives formation of or shows which type of effect, that is resonance effect. Okay, thank you.